Assalamu alaikum and hi, my name is Saifuddin bin Abdul Jalil from Polytechnic Kuching Sarawak. Today we will share about what happens during the arc welding process. Arc welding is a process that joins metals by generating an electric arc, which produces extremely high temperatures, up to approximately 6,500 degrees Celsius, 11,700 degrees Fahrenheit, to melt and fuse the materials. The process involves creating a continuous electrical circuit between the consumable electrode, typically made of the same metal as the workpiece, and the metal parts to be joined, using a welding power supply. When the electrode comes in contact with the workpiece or is close enough, an electric arc forms due to the ionization of the air gas, providing intense heat that melts the electrode and the base metal. The molten metal pool, or weld pool, is formed from the melted electrode and base metal. As the welder moves the electrode along the joint, the electrode continuously melts and deposits filler metal, filling the joint to create a strong bond. To protect the molten metal from oxidation and contamination from atmospheric gases like oxygen and nitrogen, shielding gases such as argon, O2, or mixtures are used, or flux-coated electrodes generate a protective slab. Controlled parameters like current type, AC or DC, voltage, amperage, and travel speed influence the weld quality. Proper technique ensures penetration, fusion, and minimal defects such as porosity or cracks. Once cooled, the weld metal solidifies, forming a durable, metallurgical bond suited for structural, industrial, and manufacturing applications. Thank you and see you again for the next video.